So today I'm actually going to be branching off of my video I made yesterday of how to find your passion. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please stop right where you're at, pause this, and go look at that video before you watch this. Once you watch that, come back and I'll finish it up. Okay, now that you know what your passion is and you've already watched my video, you just don't know what to do next. You may be asking yourself, what is the next step after that? Well, this is a very important step, and I don't want you guys to skip out on this, because if you do, this will make your job so much easier if you do it, and if you don't do it, it'll make your job so much harder, okay? The next step that you need to do is you need to come up with a mission statement. What is your business going to be about? What's your mission for your business, okay? Because basically what you're going to do is you're going to come up with a mission statement, which is going to be the foundation of your business. You're going to be building off of this mission statement. Let me give you an example of my mission statement. Now this is going to be combined between my woodworking and my YouTube mission statement. Okay, my mission is to design and create products for my customers that are unique and are built with quality products. My products will last so that they can be passed down from generation to generation. I will also create quality content on my channel to help others learn and grow in their paths to success. There's a few things I want to point out with this. Is number one, do not take this lightly. Like I said, this is not something you want to sit down and create in 5 minutes. Actually, this statement, I could keep going on with that, but just for a brief example, this is what I wanted to give you. Mine's actually a lot longer than that. But definitely put your heart and soul into it, because this is what your business is going to be based off of. Another thing is, don't be vague. Definitely don't say anything like, I just want to make money, I want to make a lot of money. For one, that is vague. You want to specify, you know, that's going to be more for goals really, but you must specify exactly what you want. And really, if you say stuff like, I want to make money or make a lot of money, that actually sounds selfish, because you're putting yourself first over your clients. And my main goal is to treat my clients well enough that they will want to come back. And also, if you treat your clients well enough, they will want to come back to you and also bring their friends with them. So that's also a big goal to be set. Don't be selfish, like I said. Definitely think about your customers when you create this statement, because that's what this statement's about, because that's who you're trying to take care of. Okay, now that you guys have heard my mission statement, it's time to create yours. Now, if you're having difficulties creating your statement and you don't really know where to start, man, please reach out to me. I will actually drop my email address below, and you can get in contact with me, and I'll even give you my cell phone number. I'll send it to you through email. I don't want to blast it out there, but definitely get in contact with me, because man, I love to help you create your mission statement, because this is what's going to direct your business. Because without a mission statement, it's pretty much like trying to sail a sailboat without a sail. You're just going to be floating through water with no direction at all, and it's going to sink eventually because you have no purpose. So with that being said, man, I appreciate you guys joining in today. Hope this was good content for you guys. I'd also like to say check back tomorrow, because I'll be talking about the third step. Even though it's the third step, it's still another important step. So if you want to know what to do after this, check back tomorrow. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a good day, and God bless.